In this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste data from Excel directly into SQL Server using Management Studio. Open Management Studio, find your table, right-click and select Edit 200 rows. Go down to the last row and click on the first column with a star and it will select the whole row. Switch over to Excel and select the columns and rows that you would like to copy into your table in SQL Server. Right-click, select Copy, switch over to Management Studio, and on the last row, right-click and select Paste, and boom, your data is inserted into the table in SQL Server. A tip is to always start with one row, so if you have the wrong data type, you will get an error for one row instead of having like 100 rows. So start with one row, paste that into the table, validate your data, then you can take the rest of your rows and copy them into the SQL Server table. If you have a table with an auto-incrementing ID column, an identity column, you can use this tip to also copy data into that table. When you are in Excel, you will have to add an extra blank column in the beginning of the table or before your data. So add this column, then select this column together with all the other columns and all your rows. Right-click, select Copy, move over to Management Studio, right-click the last row, select Paste, and your data is within SQL Server. And you can see that the ID column was automatically populated.